Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to another week of vocabulary. This week, our story is Roadrunner's Dance, and it is Unit 5, Week 2. Our first word this week is interfere. When you interfere, you stop something or get in the way. Rainy weather can interfere with our plans to play sports outdoors. Think about a time when someone tried to interfere with your plans. The next word is awkward. An awkward person does not move with grace and ease. Adam was so awkward that he tripped over his own feet. What would be a synonym for the word awkward? Next, we have proclaimed. If you proclaimed something, you spoke about it loudly and publicly. When few people could read, a town crier proclaimed the latest news. What would a synonym of proclaimed be? Next is agile. A person or animal that is agile moves quickly and easily. The old cat is still agile enough to climb a tree. What kinds of animals would you consider to be agile? Guardian is our next word. A guardian watches over or protects people and things. A female bird is often the guardian of her nest while the male searches for food. Tell about or think about a job or activity that requires a person to be a guardian. And the last word this week is convinced. If you convinced someone to do something, you persuaded them to do it. Jamal convinced his dad that to give him an allowance. What is something that you have convinced others to do? Once you have all these words recorded in your notebook and their definitions written down, you can go ahead and get the word squares sheet and get working on your word squares.